I'm Florian Urmetzer. I'm a Senior Research Associate with the Cambridge Service Alliance and the Institute for Manufacturing. The Cambridge Service Alliance is an alliance of multiple companies and universities. All the companies are non-competing companies, and we all have an interest to find out and explore the area of services and how to actually make the shift to services, so not only selling products but as well as selling services on the back of the products. Imagine you're a manufacturing company, so logically what you normally do is you have after-sales services, so you're looking after the machinery that you're producing in the first place and you're offering spare parts. But then you can basically go a level up and you can say, okay, we want to make this a little bit more complex and we want to offer more to our customers, so you offer maintenance. So you're maintaining the machinery or the machines that you're building as well. The next level then would be that you're actually looking at process outsourcing. So you're actually looking at outsourcing or like kind of at taking over a complete process that your customer is actually managing. So for example, the whole of the transport in a quarry, right? So instead of actually selling the machinery, suddenly you're starting to sell the transport in the quarry to your quarry customer. It's very important to understand your customer very, very much detail, specifically the business model, how they are actually working. So how do they actually create and capture value within the market, but as well, how do they create and capture value for and with you? Which means that you get a managerial process where you as a company basically create some value, and the partner within this the service structure captures this value. Then they would create some value, and you can be capturing this value. So a very, very simple example of a direct value exchange would be I provide you with a machinery for X amount of time or hours or fuel consumption or tons transported. And you will then on return give me some money for this, or then additionally obviously give some, for example, customer feedback, as in were you happy with the machinery, did you like the use of the machinery, and so on and so on. So if I make sure that I can capture this value that you're creating for me, for example, for a simple example, the customer feedback, then I can actually integrate that within my company and actually better the service processes that I have within the company in the first place. The interesting part of being able to offer services is usually you understand your machinery very well and you understand the business setting in which the machinery is going to be used. So you have a huge potential of increasing the performance of the machinery and optimizing the use. And so it's in many service constructs or service offerings, it's not just one company actually delivering a service, but it's multiple companies together. So all the management has to actually work together to deliver this service to the customer. So all the different companies have to collaborate to actually deliver service. We run a number of executive courses every year, and we have an industry day as well. To find out more about the Service Alliance in general as well, visit our webpage.